Hey online business owners, it's Grace here from Printbest, your print-on-demand partner. Today's video is for all of you Etsy shop owners who are ready to take your business to the next level. We're going to give you the top 10 methods to grow your Etsy sales and keep your customers coming back. Before we get started, we want to hear from you. What are some of the challenges that you as an Etsy seller want to overcome? Let us know in the comments and make sure that you're subscribed to our channel because we're going to be putting out more videos that will help you out. Now let's dive into 10 ways to grow your Etsy shop and create loyal customers. Number 1, list new products. Listing more products can make it easier for you to show up in Etsy search results. Plus, every time you list a new product, it appears on the homepage for anyone who has favorited your shop. So not only are you attracting new customers, you're also staying on the radar for your existing ones. Etsy recommends listing at least 20 products, but you can always list more. If you're an artist or graphic designer, Print on Demand allows you to list products without keeping any inventory. So you can list t-shirts, mugs, anything else, all printed with your designs. And you don't have to pay to produce them until you actually get an order. Printbest has an Etsy integration that helps you do exactly that. So check it out through the link in the description. Number 2, cross-sell and upsell. Cross-selling is when you suggest other items as add-ons. So for example, if your customers like your ceramic plates, you can then suggest ceramic bowls that go with them. Upselling, on the other hand, is when you suggest an upgrade to a product. So instead of selling for the regular plates, you can recommend the bigger, fancier ones. Studies show that upselling and cross-selling increases online store orders up to 10% in value. Number 3, run special offers and promotions. These help you get new customers because it's the perfect time for them to try your products. It also helps you keep current customers loyal because it gives them an incentive to keep coming back. If you're looking for ideas on how to do this, we've listed some in our blog article, which is linked in the description below. Number 4, attend events. Yes, we know, events have been not the same ever since the pandemic hit, but there are actually still lots of opportunities. There are virtual events, outdoor events, or small local events run by Etsy teams. Use these opportunities to meet your customers and learn from other sellers. Plan ahead, build relationships, and promote these events on your social media so that you can make the most out of them. Number 5, don't be afraid to ask for help. Learning from the Etsy community can help you avoid costly mistakes and stay up to date with the latest tips and policies. When you're faced with a problem, try looking for answers in the Etsy community forum or even on other internet forums like Reddit or Facebook groups. There are plenty of Etsy sellers who have great advice on how to grow your shop and retain loyal customers. Number 6, use social media strategically. Chances are you're already using social media for your Etsy business, but there's more to it than just promoting new products and using the right hashtags. Here are 3 steps to point you in the right direction. Step 1, exploring social media profiles for successful Etsy shops to get inspiration. Step 2, create a consistent posting schedule to establish your presence and invite audience engagement. And step 3, regularly monitor comments and interactions with your followers. Ask questions, reply to comments, and use the opportunity to build trust with your followers. Number 7, use search engine optimization. Did you know that more than half of online experiences begin with a search? Make your Etsy business easier to find by using relevant keywords that people are likely to search for in your product listings. A good place to start for research is your shop stats. Find out what words people are using to discover your listings. These are good words to use in your product titles and your descriptions. Number 8, work with brand ambassadors. Also known as brand advocates, these people can be influencers, friends and family, teammates, customers, just about anyone with something good to say about your products. Word of mouth continues to be one of the most powerful ways for businesses to get customers. So reach out and ask if people are willing to throw in a good word for your Etsy shop. Number 9, have a subscriber list. Since you can't send email newsletters from the Etsy platform, you'll need to collect email addresses on a separate website, but it's well worth it. A subscriber list allows you to send newsletters, promotions, and other useful information to your customers. Just be sure that you know what you can and cannot do according to regulations like the CAN-SPAM Act. Speaking of subscribing, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications. We'll be making more videos on how to grow your online store, so you won't want to miss those. And if you don't want to wait for videos, there are plenty of other strategies that we talk about in our blog, linked in the description below. And finally, number 10, support a cause. This is something that's both good for your store and good for society. A study found that 79% of Americans feel a deeper connection to companies that have similar values as them. So choose a cause that your customers care about and that aligns with your brand. Make sure to review Etsy's guidelines on donating shop proceeds to charity and let your audience know about the cause that you support. So now that you know the top 10 tips for growing your Etsy shop, it's time to put them into action. Start with step 1, listing new products. If you're looking for new products to feature your designs, we welcome you to check out printbest.com. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and let us know if you have any ideas for future videos. Good luck! Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.